You shot me! You shot me, man! Hey, I didn't shoot you. I heard his eye. No, brother, I saw you shot me.
Think about this. A man calls for help after suspects try to break into his home. By the time deputies arrive, the suspects are gone. He does what any of us would do. He goes to meet the officers at the door, thinking help has arrived. And then, gunfire. Not from the criminals, but from the police. A deputy's weapon discharges and the homeowner is shot in the leg.
New video shows an Orange County deputy accidentally shooting a man. We're just now getting this video 1 month after it happened at a home there in Pine Hills. Deputies were responding to a report about a suspect trying to break into a home.
Yeah, but those suspects left before deputies got there. Fox 35's Kelsey Cairns is joining us live from the sheriff's office tonight. So, Kelsey, that deputy's door knock turned into complete chaos.
Yes, Luann, and simply that is putting it lightly this evening. In this new video that we have from the sheriff's office, you can see and hear when that gunfire ripped through that front door, when that deputy's weapon went off.
Sheriff's office!
From a door knock. To gunfire. An Orange County deputy behind the trigger.
I didn't shoot you.
The sheriff's office confirming to Fox 35 the deputy accidentally fired a shot.
Is anybody hurt inside? No, brother, I saw you shot me.
This wasn't a hostage situation or a gun battle. This was a man opening his own front door after calling for protection, shot by the very people who were supposed to provide it.
Bodycam showing the moments those deputies responded to a home invasion call on Sheringham Road in Orlando back in August. At the time, the victim reported shooting at 4 suspects who were trying to break into his home. That man appeared to be shot in his leg.
You said come outside, bro. You shot me. What bro?
The victim was taken to the hospital, treated, and released in the same day. And tonight, it is still unclear why that deputy's weapon went off. And right now, that deputy is still under investigation by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. Reporting live in Orange County tonight, I'm Kelsey Cairns, Fox 35 News.
And that's the danger when you call the police. You're not always calling for help. Too often, you're inviting armed agents of the state into your home, agents trained to fear first and ask questions later. If calling for help makes you the target, how much faith can the public really have in this system?